So this side we say if x minus a to x minus b is less than 0, then it's less than 0, then so here the solution will be inside. Inside, the solution will be inside the graph. Okay, let us draw it. So here x minus a will be positive, x minus b will be, so we'll have a here and b there. So if here it says less than, the solution lies inside. And remember, if it does not have the equal to part, then this becomes open, but the solution is inside. So the solution is inside the graph. Here is x. So we see that x is greater than a, because any value here is bigger than a. A is at the point here, the x-intercept. So x is bigger than a. X is greater than a. And any value here is less than b, because b is the x-intercept here. So these values here, they are less than b. And x is less than b. See that? Or you can write it as, we say x is greater than a, so a is less than x and x is less than b. There we go. So you can write it like this, or you can write it like that. And let us look at an example. G x squared minus 25, x squared minus 25. Let me write this with this color. X squared minus 25. It's less or equals to 0. It's less or equals to 0. So here, we need to factorize this. We need the fact. So this is x, ax squared, b is 0, and this is c, right? Because we don't see bx here, so this is c. So c is 25, and we do not have b. So what are the factors of 25? That when we multiply them, they will give us 25, but when we add or subtract them, they give us 0, because b is 0. The factors are 5 and 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 minus 5 is 0, and we do not have b, so b is 0. So we do not have b, we do not know which, we don't have that approach of saying the bigger value takes the sign of the middle term. These values, they are the same number, they are equal. It's 5 and 5, and c is negative, and we know when c is negative, it means the factors carry different signs, meaning one becomes positive, one becomes negative, just like that. In this case, because it's the same number, they are equal. You don't worry about which one takes the sign of the middle term. There's no middle term here. B is 0. So we have the factors. So this is going to be x plus 5 into x minus 5 less or equals to 0 here. So now I will plot x here becomes negative 5, x equals to negative 5, 5 here, and here x becomes positive 5, 5 is there. So I will just plot it like that. Alright. So negative 5 and positive 5. So here it says less or equals to. Less or equals to. What do we know about less? The solution lies inside. So this is x. X is the solution that is inside. And that is inside is x. X is between this point and this point. And it says less or equals to. So we do that circle. But because it says less or equals to, the circle becomes shaded, becomes closed, to show that those points are also part of the solution. Now we write the answer. X is greater than negative 5 because any value here is greater than negative 5. So x is going to be greater than or equals to negative 5. X is any point in here which is bigger than this, and also this point is also included. So x is greater or equals to negative 5, or x is this part. X on this side is less than 5, but we also including 5 because it's less than or equals to. So x is less or equals to 5. Or you can write it with the other method. If x is greater than negative 5, this means negative 5 is less or equals to x, and x is less than 5. You can write it this way or you can write it this way. So this is how you solve the inequalities, guys. This is how we deal with inequalities. Please watch this and repeat it if you have to, and try to do it on your own.